Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to supercharge your company research using AI formulas. Whether you're an analyst, consultant, or business professional, this method will help you gather insights on multiple companies quickly and accurately. Let's get started. First, we'll optimize our AI setup with a simple instruction. Be concise. This helps us get clear, focused responses without the fluff. Now, let's grab our company data. We'll use AI search formulas to get the latest Fortune 500 information. Type this into your spreadsheet. To make this data more spreadsheet-friendly, we'll add some formatting instructions. Now, let's organize this data into a clean table. Select your data column. Click on the Data menu at the top. Choose Split Text to Columns. Enter the delimiter you used in the custom field. For better organization, copy your split data. Right-click, select Paste Special. Choose Transpose. Your data will now be in rows instead of columns. Repeat these steps until your data is well structured. Let's enrich our data with more details. We'll use Gemini to uncover what these companies are really up to. For company products, type equals Gemini provide main products about. Drag this formula down to apply to all companies. For company emerging technologies, type equals Gemini provide a list of emerging technologies that and the company name and is focusing on in 2024. Drag this formula down for all companies. Now for the analysis, type equals analysis. Select the columns you want to analyze. Press enter. You'll see fascinating trends emerge across industries, from AI adoption to sustainability initiatives. For the final industry overview, click Extension, then go to AI for Sheet, and select Full Sheet Analysis. Ask the AI, identify technologies that multiple companies are investing in and explain their industry impact. This gives you a powerful overview of where industries are heading and why these technologies matter. And there you have it. You've just learned how to research hundreds of companies efficiently using AI tools. Important reminder, make sure you have the AI extension installed for your spreadsheet before starting this process. You can find it in your spreadsheet's extension marketplace. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical AI tips. See you next time.